When it comes to enhancing the comfort, style, and energy efficiency of your home, one of the best investments you can make is upgrading your windows. Whether you are looking to replace old, inefficient windows or you are simply seeking a fresh new look for your home, professional window installation in Laurel offers a wide range of benefits. The expertise of professional installers ensures that your windows are not only installed correctly but are also tailored to provide maximum performance and durability. Here are the top benefits of choosing professional window installation for your Laurel home. Enhanced energy efficiency. One of the primary reasons homeowners choose to replace their windows is to improve energy efficiency. Older windows, especially those with single panes or deteriorating seals, can let in drafts and allow conditioned air to escape, making it more difficult to keep your home comfortable. This can lead to higher heating and cooling costs. Proper installation for maximum insulation. Professional window installers ensure that the new windows are sealed properly, preventing air leaks and drafts. With modern double pane or triple pane windows, low E-glass coatings, and argon gas fills, you can significantly reduce heat transfer. This will keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, saving you money on your energy bills. Regulation of indoor temperature. When your windows are correctly installed and insulated, they help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing the strain on your HVAC system and helping you achieve long-term savings. Improved comfort and indoor air quality. Professional window installation can significantly increase the comfort of your home. When windows are properly installed with high-quality materials, you'll notice improved indoor comfort, regardless of the season. Better temperature control. Properly installed energy-efficient windows help regulate your home's temperature by reducing drafts and keeping hot air outside during summer while keeping warmth in during the winter. This creates a more consistent and pleasant indoor environment. Reduced condensation and moisture. When windows are not installed correctly, moisture can accumulate, leading to condensation. This can cause damage to your window frames and increase the risk of mold growth. Professional installation ensures that your windows are perfectly sealed, reducing moisture buildup and improving the overall air quality in your home. Enhanced curb appeal and home value. Your windows contribute significantly to your home's curb appeal. If your current windows are outdated, cracked, or warped, they can detract from your home's aesthetic appeal and lower its value. Replacing old windows with new, stylish ones can dramatically improve the look of your home and enhance its overall appearance. Wide range of styles and designs. With professional window installation, you can choose from a variety of window styles that complement the architectural design of your home. Whether you're looking for casement windows, double-hung windows, or bay windows, professional installers will ensure the windows are a perfect fit and enhance your home's aesthetic. Increased market value. New windows can increase the resale value of your home. Potential buyers are drawn to homes with modern, energy-efficient windows, and homes with upgraded windows typically sell faster and for a higher price. When it's time to sell, you'll see a return on your investment. Superior durability and long-term performance. A significant benefit of choosing professional window installation is the long-term durability and performance of the windows. Professional installers use top-quality materials and industry-leading techniques to ensure your windows last for many years without requiring extensive maintenance. Quality materials. When you hire a professional, you have access to high-quality materials that are not only durable but also resistant to wear and tear. Vinyl, fiberglass, and composite windows, for example, are designed to withstand the elements, and they don't warp or crack like traditional wooden windows. These materials can handle Laurel's varying weather conditions, providing lasting protection for your home. Proper sealing and insulation. The professional installation process ensures that the windows are sealed tightly, preventing air leaks and keeping out moisture, dust, and pollutants. This extends the life of your windows and improves the overall durability and performance of your home. Expert advice and customization. When you opt for professional window installation in Laurel, you gain access to expert advice from experienced installers who can guide you in selecting the best windows for your home's needs. Tailored recommendations. Every home is different, and professionals can recommend the right windows based on your home's style, your local climate, and your specific requirements. Whether you're looking for windows with enhanced insulation for energy savings or soundproof windows to reduce noise, professional installers can help you choose the perfect option. Custom fit. Professional installers will take precise measurements and ensure that your windows fit perfectly, reducing the chances of air leakage and improving overall energy efficiency. A proper fit also enhances the appearance of your home, as the windows will be aligned correctly with no gaps or unevenness. Safety and security. When windows are installed improperly, they can pose a security risk. A poorly sealed or poorly fitted window can create vulnerabilities that allow unauthorized access to your home. Secure installation. Professional installers follow industry safety standards to ensure that your windows are securely installed, with high-quality locking mechanisms that provide better protection against break-ins. This added security provides peace of mind, knowing your home is safe and well protected. Glass strength and durability. Many modern windows are made with impact-resistant glass, which offers superior protection against storms, vandalism, and attempted break-ins. Professional installation ensures that these high-security features are properly integrated into your windows. Conclusion. Choosing professional window installation in Laurel offers homeowners a range of significant benefits, from improved energy efficiency and comfort to enhanced curb appeal and security. With the expertise of professional installers, you can enjoy long-lasting, high-performance windows that are tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're looking to update your home's look, save on energy costs, or increase its value, professional window installation is a smart investment that will pay off in the long run. Trusting experts ensures that your new windows are installed to perfection, providing benefits that last for years to come.